Alright, so you want to take the blades off of a bush hog. Well, so I started with the bush hog leaned up against a tree. I ended up with the bush hog laid over upside down. That's the only way I could do it with the tools I have. Just lifting up the whole thing. So I've laid it over. It's about an hour later, last time you saw me. So, hey, today folks, we're going to loosen the castle nut off of a bush hog. So what you need is to flip your bush hog upside down, get a crowbar to keep it from spinning, get your pipe wrench, cheater bar, and a little leverage. And there she goes. It's off. I got it off. So it wouldn't pry up, so I ended up just flipping it over, and when I lifted it back up, lo and behold, it had come off. So you take what came off, sharpen your blades with a grinder, and put them back on. If you want to remove the blades, you just undo the nuts on the other side. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.